Hey folks, I'm Garron Carlin, owner of Osage Creek Outdoors. Today I'm going to demonstrate a cherry crow call for you. This call is made of heart cherry. It's a pretty color. This call just sold on eBay. Fixing to ship it off here in not long, next few minutes. This is an excellent call for calling and killing crows, along with using as a turkey locator in the spring. It's hard to beat. This call is got more of a mellow type sound. I try to focus on making every crow call that I make to where it's more on the mellow or more gargly type tone to say. I like a raspy, deeper, more throaty sound. I think it sounds a lot more like a real crow. A lot of crow calls I've had over the years, and a lot of them that I've heard is really high pitched and squawky, and at a distance they don't sound like a crow at all. So I'm going to demonstrate this one for you. I'm going to make these sounds, and I'm going to tell you how I make them. I try to sound like 2 or 3 different crows at the same time and get it a lot more realistic there. This sound here, I'm doing that mimicking more like a younger crow in distress, and I'm just blowing, kind of saying hoo hoo. And on any of these sounds, I'm not biting or pinching the tip of the mouthpiece at all. All I'm doing is blowing. I'm not biting any at all. So I get my best sounds that way. And then I kind of form a pocket with both hands down here on this. Kind of like a crow sees something new. He's saying, hey, look here. But my both hands is giving me that good mellow tone that I want on that call. And then this growl call, I'm bringing the air all the way up from my diaphragm and forcing it through the call. And while I'm doing that, I'm gargling / fluttering my throat. I'm just and then while I do that, I pull my other hand up here with it. So that's pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching Osage Creek Outdoors on this demo clip. We'll catch you next time.